Henry, what are you doing?
What is that? What are you doing?
Harry.
What?
What?
Harry. This is Harry.
That
That's
is Henry.
What are you doing there?
Mama.
Yes. Hi. Can you tell me, what are you doing there with your hands?
I wash his hand.
You're washing your hands with meat?
Yeah.
Do you think that that is a good idea? Yeah? Is that meat tasty? Do you like that?
Yeah.
Oh
Why
yeah?
don't you put some in your mouth?
Can you eat it?
Back. Okay.
We're not giving you back your plate. You
No.
washed your hands plenty.
Yeah.
Try some of the meat.
That one.
Oh.
No, try some. Try some of your meat.
Can you eat some
No.
of the washing hand stuff? Oh, Henry, are you very clean now or very dirty? Oh, see, Roxanne likes it.
Oh, God.